Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Pokémon TCG Pocket if unavailable in your country. So, this is applicable for both iOS and Android. Now, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in QOO app, QOOAPP. So, type in QOO app and hit enter. Now, click on the link that says mappsqapp.com, QOO app games. When you click on this link, it is going to take you to this page where you will see the download QOO app button. So this app has Pokémon TCG Pocket available, and if you download Pokémon from this app, it will have no country restrictions. Click on download QOO app and it is going to show you this page where you'll have to click on download anyway. Now click on details, select the app, click on install and QOO app will be installed on your PC. Now click on OK and select done. After you do this, you'll have to simply search for QOO app on your mobile. So select install anyway button. This is instantly going to install QOO app on your mobile phone. After the app gets installed, click on the open button and install this application. You confirm that you're at least 13 years old and click on OK. Now as you can see, you'll be on this page where you'll have to sign up on QOO app using an ID. So choose I have read and agreed QOO app terms of service and privacy policy, that is this button, and select register now button. Now choose an account to register with, click on OK, click on continue. Now after registering on QOO app, you can enter your email and fill in the verification code received on that email. Now click on next button and on this page, you'll have to create a password. Now after creating a password, click on register QOO app and log in. Now you'll be on QOO app's dashboard. Here you'll have to simply click on the search icon at the top right of the screen. Click on this search bar and search for Pokémon TCG Live. Now this is going to bring the Pokémon TCG Pocket application. Click here and click on the download button at the bottom of the screen. Now click on allow and download the application. And after the download gets finished, you'll be easily able to play Pokémon TCG without any problem if it's unavailable in your country. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.